Job of the day. We're doing a dump trailer. I'm going to change his shackle links. I got some shackle links busted out. Most of the time those equalizers are good, but I'll check them. I'm going to check his brakes, adjust. He said Les Schwab did bearings a couple months ago, so I'm not going to tear down the axles today. I do need to grease all his zerks, and I just looked at my truck, and of course I'm out of cartridges, so I'm going to do shackle links, go grab a cartridge of grease, come back, grease all his joints. Everything looks good so far. Nothing really pops out. And we got a little bit of a fraying on here. A little fraying on that. And not enough to warrant changing out. Everything looks good, just minor dust, and looks like he actually uses it. And tires and wheels are off. Center hanger needs to be fixed. Easy fix. I'm just going to grind that down or sand all this stuff off. Cut a shackle link in half, put one on one side, put the other half on the other side, weld it, and then put a longer bolt in so we don't have to change this whole thing out. Hangers are off. That's the center bolt that was about to bust through. Equalizer does need to be changed out. Shackle links are going to be changed out. Usually on long equalizers you get short shackle links, so I'm going to do that for them. I need to clean this up, and then I can weld on half a hanger or half a shackle link. And cleaning up hanger. Do I have a big flap wheel? No, but I do have this, so I can use that. All right, you bloody well right. Cut those flap disc. How we doing on charge? 35, about to destroy that. I need this thing charged. Right, you bloody well right. Down. Wah. No. That's pretty good looking over there. Oh, fudge. It's a beautiful day. Shackle links are cut in half. I'm going to sand them up so no sharpie edges. Good. Shackle links are good. I need to raise the trailer up. Make sure I put my don't die on the actual bottom frame. I did. Okay, I'm going to raise this trailer up and then get to the back side of that hanger. And time to get the welder out. I got it all mocked up. This is my quick fix for hangers. Just cut a shackle link in half. You got to use a long shackle bolt, but I have these set up and I pushed it down all the way to the factory hanger position. Same on back here. I'm just going to weld down, top, and usually just weld 3 sides for it, and it should be good to go. I got everything set up. I got to start my generator and get burning. Passenger side done. Take my hat off, but that's half the shackle link welded. New shackle links, new bolts, new nuts on the back side as well. Paint this black and check his brakes on this side and adjust them if they need. They sound like they need to be adjusted. Checking lights. Reverse light's the only one blinking, so everything else is connected. At least has a circuit on it. Marker lights are on. Yes. Driver's side. Yes. Bottom is on. Left turn. Yes. Right turn, yes. This one does not have a throughway light bar. Passenger side's on. Passenger side front fender is on. Passenger side front is on. Cool, all lights work. Passenger side front, free spinning. Brakes are on. Passenger side rear, free spinning. Brake is on, but not working. Wonder if it's just not getting power. Looks like the wire over there got wrapped up. Okay, it's probably just on that side, but I am getting power to this one. Alright, I am assuming these are self-adjusting because I cannot get my adjuster in there and it feels like a plate's blocking it. So if that's the case, brakes are on. Magnets super weak. Wonder if we need to do brakes all the way around this thing. Found it. Broken wires. That's why we U-bolt it, or zip tie it to the U-bolt. This exact reason right here. That's probably why he was saying that his brakes weren't feeling like they were working as good as they should have been, but it's only because he had one axle working. Yeah, ripped it right off. Always hard to get into these. Wire strippers are great, but it takes. Pull that a little bit. I do have enough room, and I got enough room on these, so I'm going to clip it that way. One stripped, 2 stripped. Let's go on to the opposite side. I think this will take a blue butt connector. Yes, it will. That's connected. Now we just need to figure out if we can strip these wires. Come on, baby, please. Oh, man. All right, wires are butt connected. I'm gonna see if the other side's working now. Yeah, this thing's doing the same. Brakes are super weak. Wonder if, come on. I'll have to tear one of these down, see what the brake looks like. Yeah, well, I do know the rear axle's working now. It's getting power. Just the brakes are super weak. I'm going to work on hit the side hanger, the side shackle and equalizer. All right, I got driver's side up in the air. See what the brakes are like. Front is better than the rear. Yeah, come on. Front's working better. Hanger on this side's clean for welding. Wherever I put my, there it is, equalizer. Equalizer in. Shackle link put on the other side. Threaded. Driver's side is ready for welding. I put new bushings in his spring sides, weld it, and then I'll put shackle links on. All right, driver's side hanger's all fixed up, repaired, new equalizer, new shackle links, new bolts and nuts. He's gonna run the brakes he has right now, and then I'll quote out for doing new brakes. He's gonna see if it works since he has 2 new brakes now, or 2 brakes that are semi-working now. And then I'm going to grease all his zerks so his trailer doesn't creak as it goes up. I'm putting tires and wheels back on right now. All right, zip tying brake wiring to the U-bolt so it's up out of the way, doesn't get caught. Good. Front zip tied and rear axle. Enough space for axle play on there. Good. Wires are up and out of the way now. All right, both sides done for running gear. Brakes are hooked up and wired. They're a little weak, but he's gonna run it for a little bit. I'm going to grease all of his zerks because he is getting a nasty sound when it goes up and down. Bottom hinges are greased. Grease is coming out. I think there's a grease zerk right there. There it is. Grease zerk on the bottom. Going in. We got grease coming out both sides. Okay, good. Got these 3 done. I need to do the, I think there's 4 more. All right, all grease are zerked. I got 2 that I couldn't unclog, so I'm gonna have to buy a tool to unclog those. But the torque his lug nuts now. All right, quick rundown of what I did. Checked all his lights and wiring. They all work. His brakes work. Like I said, I'll quote out doing brakes. New hanger repair on driver's side and passenger side. Put a half a shackle link on either side with a long bolt. New equalizer, new shackle links, new bolts, new bushings on the driver's side. Passenger sides were good. All of his systems work well. Might as well clean his solar panel. Solar panel clean. And then I greased the zerks. I got 2 that were stuck and I couldn't get them open, so I need to buy the tool to clear those things and then come back and get them all taken care of. But he's good to go. I'm on to the next.